Ow! What was that for? I don't know. Why'd you hit me and scream my name? I don't know. Marvin! What? I'm mad! What do you mean? How much of the windows? $100? $100! Do you know how much it costs for $100? $100. Every time! Look, I don't know why you're mad. Oh, I'll tell you what. You're stupid, ugly, piggy, Miss Piggy Pink Baggy Bank, hand for Toy Story, had to break my windows with a hammer. You did what? I was trying to practice. I'm a perfect angel. No, you're not. You're a little piece of Piggy Bank Toy Story theme Miss Piggy. Oink, oink. Whoa. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, what happened? Look, calm down. Look, I need some couple of monies. Like, some few money for $100 for a window and $100 for house payment. I'm not giving you money. Why? You gave me money multiple times. Look, I'm tired of giving you money. Well, you have to. Plus, you stay in my house rent-free all the time with your idiot friends. Hey, he's not an idiot. He broke my window. Well, at least I don't beat up and yell at people. Hey, I try to stop that, but... Oh, come on. You know me, it's never gonna stop. Yeah, right. And at least my friends don't have to take stupid reasons to break someone's windows. Well, at least my chef is not... At least Chip does not just know how to cook, unlike Cow. Well, at least Brick does not damage private property. And you should probably punish him. Why need to punish him? Because he has to face consequences of his actions. What do you mean? Oh, come on. You never given them punishments like Jack. He keeps stealing your money and stealing Xboxes. For 2, Webb is keep damaging private property all the time. Well, in Lee's Chip was raised right. What, are you trying to raise him, your son? Yes! Wait, what? Nothing. Well, at least Rep does not have a pipsqueak voice unlike Brick. Oh, hey, he's got a couple of more views. Well, at least Common Brick has a lot of views than you and Reb and Jack. Oh, really? Is that what you said to me? Yes! Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight? Oh, I will do it. Marvin! Stan, but what about we do a competition? A competition? Yeah, like, what if the competition is about Marvin the Lightning? It's about Carsty Tyson, Lightning and Marvin's competition. The title of the video, like and subscribe. What are you trying to say? You should have a competition between you two. Okay, that sounds fair. Okay, so, I tell you what, Marvin, go get Chip and Jack. Lightning, go get your crew. Okay, I'll show you. I'm not playing your game! Anyways, here's the competition between my crew and your crew. Man, my voice is dead right now. It's all because you yell a lot. Well, in lease, I have a house, and I pay rent unlike you. Oh, roasted! Alright, get ready to get hit. Ow! Alright, that's it. Ow, 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 ow. That's what you get. Ow, 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 ow. Guys, stop it. Okay, we're sorry about that. Anyways, so the challenge is who can long last without yelling. Oh, I'm pretty sure I can last that. At least I can last not yelling unlike him. Alright, So I guess Marvin and Lightning's turn. So, okay, and go! Wait, is talking allowed? Yeah, yes it is, but you just can't yell. Okay. Who you gonna bet on? I'm gonna bet on Marvin. I'm gonna bet on Lightning. Marvin? I guess both of them. Lightning! Rap, you yelled. You just called yelled. He's not even yelling, okay? So, Lightning, what? I broke your phone. You did what? I broke your phone. No, you didn't break my phone. My phone's over there. Okay. Okay, I broke your TV. The TV's fine. I broke your lamp. Lamp's fine. Okay, I broke your window. Red broke my window. What happens if a window breaks again? I'll be super mad. Okay, I'll be right back. What? Okay. So, are you gonna... Ow! Oh! Ow! Oh! Ow! Ow! You idiot! Stop! 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 Okay, so... Apparently, you just cheated, okay? So, let's go on to Chip and Cow's test, okay? So, you're gonna make anything you want, okay? Okay, alright, they're done cooking, okay? Hump, that's good. Hump, you suck at cooking! Okay, so let's see, you can't try to steal Lightning's phone, okay? Alright. Oh man, this is easy. You little... Okay, Marvin. Okay, Woody. I meant Lightning. Sorry. So apparently we have tested something. So, Marvin, you're kind of a little bit yeller in the cheater, backstabber, opposite version of Lightning. Lightning, you're the little bit a yelling, screaming person, will beat up people for breaking stuff, grounding people, and just beat the crap out of them for sucking at their cooking. You beat them for stealing stuff. You're the still same thing as Marvin. So, we're gonna do a greenling stuff. Wait, why you're talking country? Because apparently I changed my voice. Anyways, so, Lightning, you have to agree something, okay? You're gonna have to agree, you have to stop yelling and beating up people for a while. Okay, I can do that. Marvin, you're gonna have to pay Lightning's bills too, because we live here. I guess so. Okay. Alright. Okay, Lightning. I will help you out paying your house payment. I guess I understand you have been going through a lot for paying bills around here. You have been trying to pay Chet Hicks's house payment for a while, just like in the old house. I guess it's understandable you've been trying to do that. I used to have a house too, you know, when I had to pay bills, but I guess I'll help you out. Thank you. And now you're friends again! Okay. Marvin! Okay. Marvin! Go!